Now we're ready to insert the image file. I do have the picture box selected, so if you don't already, make sure that you go to choose the selection tool and click on the picture box. Now there are two ways of finding the image. I can simply go to File and Place, and also on the keyboard you can hold down the Command key and the alphabet D as in doctor, and that's the shortcut. So I'll just click on Place, and now I'm wanting to, which you should do the same thing also, is find the image for the primary story. Now this story deals with Muslims. I'm going to find my image here. Once I have it selected, and you'll notice that automatically when I went to File and Place, the computer recognized my flash drive where my downloaded images are, which is pretty awesome. So I'll click on Open. Now obviously this image is huge for this small 2-column picture box. So we want to make changes here. Simply go to Object, Fitting, and we want to ensure that the image fits proportionally within the context of the picture box. So click on Fit Content to Frame. That's perfect. Okay. Now let's zoom in a moment. And I want to preview, so I'll simply go to View, Screen Mode, Preview. Right, that looks good right now, but I do need to add a border. That's something that would define the image even more compared to the text. So I'll select the image and go here where it's set to 0. We want to change this to 0.75. That gives it a bit of a border. Yeah, that helps with definition. Now go back to the normal view by clicking on View, Screen Mode, Normal. I'm going to zoom in. Okay, great. Now before we move on here, let's go ahead and create a jump line. You may say, well, what is a jump line? This actual term or terms was in one of your readings here previously as it relates to a story. A jump line in this context is where the story continues to another page, an inside page normally. So let's zoom in. And as we have dealt with the first InDesign assignment, is that this red box here indicates that there's more text. Choose the rectangular box. Okay, it has filled it to black. We definitely don't want that. I'm going to change it to paper and also take the border off, set it to 0. Here we want to begin and type the jump line. Let me reference my headline of the story. I will say see struggle in all caps, also bold. Comma, page, and I see it's bold page also. I'm going to highlight and just set that back to regular. Page 2B. And we want to justify this right. Okay, great. And let's see, let's play with this a moment here. Oh yes, and I see that the text is actually behind it. We definitely don't want that, so we want to wrap around. Okay, here we want to be careful. This, it has one line of text under the image, or actually between the jump line and the image. So I'm going to make a few adjustments here with the image. Hold down the Command key and Shift at the same time with my left hand. And with my right hand, I'll play with the mouse and bringing this down. And I'm sure you will see, text just will not go away. We'll do that here. Now let's zoom in. You can see where the image is almost bleeding off of the page. We want to work with that. So I'll bring it to the guide. That's a very important step. And we'll do the same thing here. Now we have room to play with here because actually that really doesn't cut much of the image off. I'm going to bring it to the guide. That's perfect. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and save. Zoom in. Let's take a look at it, see what it looks like here through the screen mode preview. Okay, good. This works well for right now. All right, let's go back to the normal view.